Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel High Tech Info Official. I'm your host Mishra Fatma and today we are going to explore one of the fastest growing military power in the modern world, India. From powerful fighter jets and massive armies to advanced missiles and growing naval strength, India is rapidly become a major force in global defense and military technology. In this video, we will clearly explain India military power, its strong air force, advanced weapon system, growing navy and future military aviation. So make sure you watch this video till the end because today's topic is going to be extremely interesting and powerful. Let's begin. India rising military power. India has one of the largest armed force in the world. The world has over 1.4 billion active military personnel and millions of research troops ready for nation defense. India military growth has accelerated in recent years because of rising religions, tensions, border disputes and interesting global competition. The government has focused heavily on modernization, the armed force and reduced dependence on forbidden weapons. Today, India produces many military systems inside the country through the Make in India defense program. These include missiles, warships, tanks, drones and even fighter aircraft. India's defense budget is among the largest in the world, allowing the military to continuously improve its technology and combat readiness. The Indian Army are divided into three major branches: the India Army, the Indian Air Force, the Indian Navy. Each branch play a central role in protecting the nation and strengthening India's position on the global stage. India is also a nuclear power with advanced missile system capable of striking targets at long distances. That gives the country strong strategic defense capabilities. Because of all these factors, many military experts believe India is becoming one of the fastest growing military power in modern history. The power of the India Army. The India Army is one of the largest and most experienced armies in the world. Its soldiers operate in some of the toughest environments on earth, including deserts, forests, mountains, and freezing high altitude regions near the Himalayas. The army has thousands of tanks, armored vehicles, artillery systems, and rocket launchers designed for both defensive and offensive operate. One of the India's strongest advantages it is highly trained manpower. Indian soldiers regularly participate in military exercises with countries like the United States, France, Russia and Japan. These exercises improve combat skill and international cooperation. India also has elite special forces unit trained for counter-terrorism missions, hostage reduced operation and high-risk warfare. The country has been repeatedly improving its border infrastructure by building roads, tunnels, bridges and advanced military bases in strike locations. India's artillery system has also become more modern and deadly. Weapons such as the Bahros missile system give the army powerful strike capability against enemy targets. The army is now focusing heavily on modern technology including drone, surveillance system, artificial intelligence and electronic warfare. With constant modernization and massive manpower, the Indian Army remains one of the most powerful land forces in Asia. The Indian Air Force. The Indian Air Force is considered one of the strongest air forces in the world. It operates hundreds of combat aircraft, transport planes, helicopters and advanced surveillance systems. The backbone of the Indian Air Force, including fighter jets such as Rafale fighter jets from France, Sukhoi Su-30 MKI fighters, Mirage 2000 aircraft, Tejas light combat aircraft developed in India. The Rafale fighter jets is one of the most advanced aircraft in India arsenal. It is equipped with modern radar system, advanced missiles and electronic warfare technology that make it extremely dangerous in air combat. India is also developing its own indigenous fighter aircraft to reduce dependence on foreign suppliers. The Tejas fighter jets is a major example of Indian growing defense industry. The Indian Air Force has powerful missile system capable of defending the country from Aral Strait. Air defense system such as the Russian-made S-400 greatly strengthened India defense shield. India also operates airborne warning and control system which help detect enemy aircraft from longer distance and improve battlefield awareness. In addition to fighter jets, India has a large field of transports, aircraft and helicopter used for troops movement, missile refill, operation and military logistics. The Air Force also a shelter role in protecting India airspace and supporting ground operation during wartime. India is now investing heavily in future technologies such as stealth drones, next generation fighter aircraft, hypersonic weapons and advanced radar system. As modernization continues, the India Air Forces is expected to become even more powerful in the coming years. The strength of the Indian Navy. Indian growing military power is not limited to land and air forces. The Indian Navy is also becoming a major force in the Indian Ocean region. Indian Navy protects important seas routes, trade lines and strategic maritime areas. One of the biggest symbols of the Indian naval power is aircraft carriers. These massive warships allow fighter jets to operate far from the country coastline. India has also built advanced destroyer, frigates, submarines and missiles-equipped warships. The Indian Navy operates nuclear-powered submarines capable of remaining underwater for long periods while carrying strategic missiles. Indian naval forces regularly conduct joint exercises with powerful nations such as the United States, Australia, Japan, and France. The Navy is also improving surveillance systems in monitoring activities across the Indian Ocean. Because global trade heavily depends on sea routes, India's naval strength is becoming increasingly important for both nation security and international influence. Experts believe Indian Navy will continue expanding as the country aims to become a dominant maritime power in Asia. Missiles, nuclear power and future technology. India is also known for its powerful missile system and nuclear capabilities. The country has developed a wide range of ballistic and cruise missiles capable of carrying conventional and nuclear warhead. One of the India's most famous weapons in the world, Brahmos missiles, which is considered one of the fastest supersonic cruise missiles in the world. India also has the Agni missile series capable of striking targets at very long distances. These missile systems provide strong defense and significantly increasing India's military strength. The Indian nuclear arsenal is designed to maintain strategic balance at nation security. Instead areas, India has also entered the field of cyber warfare, artificial intelligence, satellite defense system and drone technology. The country successfully demonstrated anti-satellite capabilities, proving that it can operate in modern space warfare environment. Military experts believe future war will be expand heavily on advanced technologies, and India is investing billion to prepare for that future. Conclusion: Indian Army growth is transforming the country into one of the most powerful defense forces in the world. With a massive army, advanced air force, expanding navy, powerful missile system, and growing defense industry, India is repeatedly strengthening its position on the global stage. The country continues to modernize its weapon, improving military technology and prepare for future challenges. Although many global powers still lead in military technology and experience, India's rapid progress shows that it is becoming a force that the world cannot ignore. In the coming year, India may emerge as one of the dominant military powers on the 21st century. The question is no longer whether India is growing stronger. The real question is how far these rising military power will go into the future. So guys, thanks for watching this video on High Tech Info Official. I hope you enjoy learning about India's growing military power and its advanced defense capabilities. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another powerful military and technology video. This is Mishra Fatma signing off. See you in the next video. Bye.